Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome back to another video tutorial today. I have one last Halloween treat that I want to share with you. These are, I found these little Kinder Bueno full chocolate bars at the store. So these are things that you just want to give out to those special people. But we're going to make a fun wrap, and I'm going to show you a second idea and then a fall idea using these candy bars. So I just wanted, first of all, to make a wrap. So let me get this in, and this is 5 by 6 1/4 of basic black cardstock, and we are going to score this at 3/4 of an inch. 2 3/4, 3 1/2, and 5 1/2. Make sure you use the light gray scoring blade, not our cutting blade, or you'll be using another piece of black cardstock. Okay, while I'm folding this, I just want to remind you that our 12 weeks of Christmas is going on. It's only for my email subscribers, so if you are not on my email list, make sure to click the link below and sign up for my email list. Okay, so this is going to make just like a belly band that goes around our candy bar. So let's grab the Tear and Tape, and we're going to put it, the panels are slightly different. This is I think slightly bigger than that one. Let's see. Nope, same size, 3/4 of an inch. Okay. Now when I do my Tear and Tape, I usually just fold down the panel I want to stick it to, and then I fold that up so that it butts up against there, and that will make sure my box is square. Super easy to do. Let's see if this should fit right in. I like my measurements so that it's not going to fall out, but it's easy to pull out. Plus the little ends kind of go out a little bit, so just make sure that's centered. Okay, now I have a piece of the Them Bones designer paper. I'm using the purple side, and I'm going to stamp a few bats on it. We're going to do a Frankenstein, no, not Frankenstein, Dracula. A Dracula treat. Let's see. Just get a few bats in the background. There we go, that should be good. We're going to cover up some of those. Okay. We're going to give that a second. Let's go ahead. Now I'm using, let me show you the bundle, what I'm using. The Tricks and Treats, I'm using the Vampire. I'm also going to use Bag of Bones just because I want a longer sentiment for the Happy Halloween. And then I'm using the Tricks and Treats dies to cut out my little vampire. Okay, so I have a 1-inch strip of basic white, and we're going to do our Happy Halloween. I'm going to just do it in black. You could do it in purple too if you wanted. I'm going to just have left a little bit so I can flag the ends, and then let's stamp our vampire here. I've just got a piece of basic white scrap, and I'm using Highland Heather for his face. Just stamp that right in the middle, and then we're going to layer some hair and a face on him. Okay, this is really easy to line up. Now I say that, and then I'm gonna go to line it up. Oh, my head isn't sticking in there. There we go. And then his face just fits right in here. Nice and easy. That's a juicy ink pad. All right, now we take the die, and it just cuts out that face perfectly. I've already done one just to save a little bit of time. Isn't he cute? So cute. Okay, let's glue this together. Looking for my adhesive. All right, come on. paper. I love this paper. Let's see, I have most of my bats going this way. So this paper, I think I'll put the measurements on my blog. I'm not gonna say it's 5 1/4 wide, but I think 1 3/4. So let's just flag the ends of our Happy Halloween. We also have a punch that does this. I'm going to trim that off just a little bit. Okay. We'll just put this right in the middle, and then we're gonna pop up our Dracula. Let's see. 1, 2, we'll do 3. Whoops, I've lost one. I think the backing came off with it. Sometimes that happens. Okay. Let's just kind of put them right there. Oh my gosh, so cute. Let's add a couple of purple gems. These are glossy dots, glossy dots assortment. I tend to use the blue and yellow first, and then I have lots of pink and purple left over, but I have a couple of packs. So let's use our purple. I don't use a whole lot of purple in cards, so when I get a chance to use these, I'm so excited. All right, let's get that up. Let's see if we can get it up with this end. It's jumped onto another dot. There we go. Let's put one down here. Cute. Isn't that cute? Let me show you another one. So this was another holder. This was a little treat that I'd given my attendees at our retreat with one of these. And then let me show you, I made these for the leadership event in Las Vegas this year, and I did fall. So I used the paper florist dies. So they make these gorgeous paper flowers. So I just did fall colors and then added some of this. This is the texture, earthen elements, earthen texture. I don't know, that one that looks like the 70s designer paper. So yeah, I had a lot of fun. It took a lot of time die cutting, so I just spent an evening because I made a bunch of these. But yeah, you can make these for any occasion. Super quick and easy. All right, I hope you enjoyed today's project. Please click subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And I don't know why my camera keeps syncing. It's just a syncing problem this week. All right, thanks everybody. Make sure to check back on Monday. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.